All right, I got a 2000 Subaru Outback. So I had the customer brought it in, they plugged it in, it didn't work, so I cannot do the whole video and show you how it all works. So basically what I got right here is the plug right there. This is called a CAN bus. You're gonna need this to operate the sound, because this thing got a common I can't even say that, Harman Kardon. So that means it's got a built-in amplifier. So we're gonna hook all of these up right there. The main plug, the speaker plug, this plug. This is for a backup camera, so it will say camera in right there. And then unplug to this one. You have to plug this no matter if you have backup camera or not. So the stereo doesn't come with, for some reason, doesn't come with the one of these right there. This is a Bluetooth. I ran it down all the way down underneath the carpet around there, and then I used a grabber. This is what the grabber I'm talking about. Basically, this grabber, when you push this, it open up right there and grab it and pull it. I will link it for you so you can grab them, or you can go to one of the auto parts store and buy them. And then you also got the antenna that I haven't plugged it in yet. There's a couple antenna. This is a ground. Some of these Subaru require additional ground. So the black and blue might require. I am not sure. We'll find out, because this is the first time I'm doing this model. Also, I am looking for the antenna plug. That's not it. Where is the antenna? I saw it earlier. Oh, okay, there's antenna. So antenna is already plugged. And then I run the two USB right there. One's got a 6-pin, one's got a 4-pin. A 4-pin mainly got power. The other one is for Apple Carplay and Android Apple Carplay. So Android and Apple Carplay. So you plug both of them. Don't forget that this one, you're going to have to plug it to this 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 right there, next to that right there. That one show you from the CAN bus, it'll show you the power, the doors open and such and such. So I'm going to plug all that in. I did run the USB down here so the customer can just grab it and plug it right there. So I could not show you how to remove it, but I think there's another link that I will be able to link it to my channel that's got that removal. Now, as you can see, everything is plugged in, and I will have to plug the mic right there. It's a mic. So if you got no sound, in case you don't have sound, you need to plug this thing in with the blue wire right here. The blue right there for the main plug, and it should work. Let's see. So here we go. Everything working fine. I got to take that out. Yep. So if you're looking at these, I didn't see all of these right there. This is a 5-pin right there, pin 3 and pin 4. See, if you're looking at it, 1, 2, 3. 3 is for the positive, which is white right here. That's go to the positive side of the yellow wire, and then 4 would be red and black. That would be black of the negative right there. See this plug right there? This is a male, this is a female, which is, this is a positive, this is a negative side of the camera. So this was not really needed it, but I'm gonna plug it in anyway. But yes, that little piece that I miscount, because a lot of them go camera in everywhere. We'll plug that in. Voila, that works right now.
System ready.
So yep, the camera is working. Why did it go out? Okay, that's it. Whoa. All right, so let's see, we got everything done. So we need to go to setting. We gotta do a steering wheel control on this. To do that, you're gonna go to, oh my goodness, I think I forgot. I think you go to here, click on this one right there. I just did that. but I had to show you. So now you're gonna go to, let's go up to system. Nope. Factory. Nope. More. Nope. Personal. Voice. Oh, I just got a customer. General. So you go to general. Oh man. Oh, I'll be back.
System ready.
Now where was I at? So we go home right here. We'll click on this button. We're gonna go to car setting. And then you're gonna go to, I don't think it's this one. No, it's not that one. Man. Oh, this setting right here. It's the green and the blue. So you wanna go to, I think system setting. No. Factory setting. No, I don't have to go to that. I just did it that a second ago. What happened here? More? Nope, not more. General. Yeah, you go to general right here. You want to go to, oh man, now I feel really smart. I forgot how I did it. I'm telling you, this is a new Android, whatever it is, and then I could not remember. I know I didn't have to go to upgrade time develop option. Nope, not that one, because I didn't have to put a password. What happened is I don't remember how I did it. See, that's a problem. Oh, right there. No, that's reverse issue. Reverse. Nope. Original. Oh, okay. You want to go to original. You click on steering wheel control, and then it show you right there. See how I programmed this top already? So basically, if I'm going to go to next. Oh, I'm not going to go to next. I'm going to go to forward. Where is the forward button? So basically, the radio can go forward. It's got a lot of different things, left and right. Forward right there. So I'm going to click on this one. And then I'm going to click. Which one did I have? On right there. Nope. I did it wrong. So I'm going to restart this thing again. I'm going to reset it. All right. Reset. We'll have to reset. Okay. Oh. Okay, reset. I press reset. So I press volume up. And then this is volume up. So you click on that and it should be blue screen. And then volume down right there. And then we're going to go source. So let's go source or power. Click on that one. And then press source. And then we'll go to mute right there. That's mute. Where's mute at? Look, a mute right there. You press mute. And then let's go forward. Where is forward or next? I like to put it on forward instead of next. Next is go to like the next thing. So forward, reverse. Okay, forward right there. Click on that. That's forward. And then reverse. Click on that. And the speak right there. So let's look for that speak or voice. Usually they have the same picture. I don't see it. Oh, voice right there. Click on voice and then voice right there. And then you just end. Click on it. And you're done. So basically, see? So, shoot. Why don't it go down? Alright, as you can see, I had to remove this out because this is already got its own one already because I cannot fit it. So I had to put this in first to get it to go in because of the, like I said, I didn't take it off. So it's kind of a little bit difficult for me. But other than that, it should be working perfectly.